Hi friends. I hope you are all fine. Today our topic is the types of computers. According to purpose classification of computers according to work. Analog computer. The computer that processes analog data and gives analog output is called analog computer. Examples: ECG machine, thermometer, etc. Digital computer. The computer that processes digital data and gives digital output is called digital computer. Examples: calculator, mobile, ATM, etc. Hybrid computer. The computer that processes analog data into digital data or vice versa is called hybrid computer. Examples: petrol pump, earthquake, blood pressure, weather, etc. Difference between analog and digital computer. Analog computer processing continuous data based on frequency, sound, waves, temperature, pressure, speed. Processing other than numeric. Alphanumeric and alphabets data, usually special purpose computer, unitasking. Digital computer processing discrete data based on binary processing. Processing numeric, alphanumeric and alphabets data, usually general-based computer, multitasking. According to purpose, general-purpose computer. These computers are designed to handle a variety of problems in different fields of life. Examples: laptops, mobile phones, etc. Special purpose computer. These computers are designed to handle a specific problems or specific task. Examples: ATM, air traffic and satellite tracking, etc. Classification of computers. Supercomputer. A supercomputer is the largest and fastest computer in the world that can process a significant amount of data very quickly. Examples: Earth atmosphere, airplane, oil companies, etc. Mainframe computer. Mainframe computer, also called big iron. Mainframes are powerful computers used for large information processing jobs. The mainframe computer is also large and faster but less than a supercomputer's. Mini-computers, a small computer that is intermediate between a microcomputer and a mainframe in size. Speed and capacity, that can support time sharing, and that is often dedicated to a single application. Personal computer. The definition of a personal computer is a small computer with a microprocessor, designed for use by an individual. An example of personal computers are desktop computers used in homes, schools and small businesses. Microcomputer. The definition of a small personal computer with a microprocessor as a central processor is an example of a microcomputer. Notebook or laptop. A notebook computer, sometimes called a laptop computer. A notebook computer is a battery or AC-powered personal computer generally smaller than a briefcase that can easily be transported and conveniently used in temporary spaces such as on airplanes, in libraries, in offices, and at meetings. Tablet and smartphones. Tablets and smartphones are the types of computers that are pocket-friendly and easy to carry as these are handy. This is one of the best use of modern technology. These devices have better hardware capabilities, extensive operating systems, and better multimedia functionality. Smartphones and tablets contain a number of sensors and are also able to provide wireless communication protocols. Thanks for watching the video. So don't forget to like, comments, share and subscribe to the channel. And press the bell icon for notifications of incoming videos. Thank you.